Yo, what up, YouTube? It's your boy Simply Gio. Simply my 2 cents. These panoramic roofs are shit. My Lincoln MKZ, the shade was not opening all the way. Turns out these little metal things that they have here to help guide the sunshade got clogged up and gunked. Look at this. I just ripped it out because I'm like, the car's paid off, so I just ripped it out. And now look, sunroof open, shade open. Manufacturer will not fix it. Dealership will not fix it. It's not covered by any warranties. So if you are having this problem and these have come out of your shade, just go ahead and rip them out and your sunroof will open. Look at this. I still got one in there right now. I just wanted to see if the sunroof would open with it in there. Let's go ahead and close it real quick. Sunroof is closing. Haven't been able to use my sunroof in 3 months because of this. It got clogged up and stuck under here the whole time. I thought it was the other side and was the right side. Look at this. See the shade closing? Opening and closing now. I didn't take the before video because I was just frustrated and I accidentally ripped out the other side. And look how it's stuck back here. You see how this is stuck? See how it's all ripped up in here? Look at that. That's what was stopping my shade from opening. It got clogged up in here. The dealership will not fix it. Look at that. Look at that in there. You see that? See how it's all crumpled up in there? And this is supposed to help guide the shade. Look at that. It's all crumpled up in there. Just ripped it out. Look at that. Look at this. Look at that. Sunroof shade was not opening in my Lincoln for how many months because of this crap right here. So if you are an MKZ owner and you are having problems with your panoramic roof, remember I did this and showed you so you wouldn't have to. You don't have to go pay them $1,300 or $2,000 or whatever it is for them to just go ahead and do this. All they're going to do is rip it off and put something right back on, and then you'll be back in this problem again. So check this out now. Look at that. Shade opening, no problem. No problem with the shade. Look at that. Look at that. Roof opening, no problem. No problem. As a customer, this is infuriating. But until next time, YouTube, remember I did this and showed you so you wouldn't have to. Peace.